Your Honor.
Hit the birds! My soul!
Practice natural child hatch. The risks of having a scrambled infant are too great. There was going to be the nest was going to be full of beautiful, fresh-cut flowers. And the first two faces he was going to see were the loving faces of his mother and his father. I can never get that moment back.
Ma'am, I never wanted my face to be the first face your baby saw. I mean, what are we talking about here? He probably doesn't even remember me. Shut up. Shut up. Cool it. Ladies and gentlemen, am I a passionate bird? Yes.
What am I to do?
It was a quality cake. Look, I worked very hard to get it there on time. And he wouldn't.
Fury still try it.
Mr. Red, we are happy bird community. Under the protection of my animal, we work, we play, we laugh, we love, and we live our lives free from conflict and strife, sir. We love the sound of our own voice, too, evidently. Perhaps you never heard the joke, why don't birds fly? I'm gonna tell you why. Because where else would we ever want to go? Not a good joke. So now, what am I to make of the likes of you? Relax! There seems to be a recurring issue here.
It's too big! It's giant!
Anger!
Birds! I go to the bird school!
Garden! And what do you do
when you find to eat?
I don't know, but I bet you're gonna tell me. You pluck it out!
Oh my gosh!
Mr. Red, when you moved your house outside of our village, did you notice that birds tried to stop you? Birds, they may smile at you on the street, but that doesn't mean they like you.
I got a
question for you.
You crazy!
That robe that you're wearing isn't fooling anybody. We all see you prancing along the street, Your Honor. And you're what? And I'm just approximating here, like an inch tall?
What are you talking about?
Mr. Red, given the severity of the crimes, I have no choice but to impose the maximum penalty allowed.
Anger, magic cry. Oh, the fire burst alive.
Last once, what today? Hey, Red, how are you? Oh, I'm horrible.
Oh, hi, Red.
Good to see you.
I wish I could say the same.
Thank you. Thank you much.
Let's go.
Oh.
Where's he?
No running. No running.
Come on.
How's that nap schedule coming along?
Oh, boy. You guys ever thought about bird control?
Right. Here we go. Birds.
All right. Darling.
Mr.
Trill. I'll get to the phone. Now take your time. Here we go.
Baby.
Oh, you're doing it.
Turn around.
Pigeon pose.
Speed.
Crane pose.
Wow, mighty eagles soaring free, defender of our homes and
Hi, Red. Is one of those yours?
What? Yeah, when birds fly.
Mighty eagle is a legend.
Zapper sister, are you there? My nose, French Maria. Sally's the Scrooge boyfriend. Sally's the teacher. you there? Come on, Benton! Let's run!
See, that's funny. This is funny.
Cyberlings, Papa, are you there? That's Kanye's best time yet.
Mommy! I don't worry about the business. Let's go!
He started it.
I basically have.
Donald! Oh no! Are you there? Scott! Lenny! Butler Scott! Are you there?
Oh, look at this. This is gonna be awful.
Cool beats. Bye, boy.
Okay, I guess that's art.
Sophia's
That's
best
garbage.
friends to
And
ever
that's
use side of this baby sister.
Free rage what?
Hello!
Hi there, welcome
Hello.
to the Infinity Acceptance Group. I am Matilda.
Okay.
Hi, what are
We're
those?
psyched to be taking this
Oh,
journey.
boy!
You're gonna have a blast. I'm really fun. Everybody says that about me. Hey guys, say hello to Red, everyone. Hello.
Hello, birds. I won't get to know.
I was with the dog with try to cute purple up higher people to carrots.
Chuck, I'm sorry we got off on the wrong foot. I like you a lot, I can tell.
Okay. Now, Red, would you like to share your story with us?
No, not really.
Well, the court mentioned something about a rape
Episode.
at a child
Movie party.
How long is this class anyway?
as long as you make it.
Really? Oh, okay. Gentlemen, very nice to see you and to almost meet you. Probably the nicest part of it is not getting to you know, in some weird way. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and scoot on back out past those creepy statues and
I could go.
sure. No, I can take a seat.
Oh, Tindy was so right.
Until I notify the court that your anger issues have been resolved.
Oh, boy.
Never give up.
Me, I am the last guy who should be here. Simple speeding ticket. Judge tells me I was going too fast, so I say, Your Honor, to be honest,
Don't end the taste.
I'm not angry.
The woods.
So, shouldn't I be in honesty management class? Because we gotta manage my honesty.
My one problem, that's a different story than you told last time.
Come out, twin sister. Are you there?
It wasn't ice cream. All right, Chuck. Thanks.
Thanks for coming.
And there's
Precious, are you there?
Terrifying.
Papa, are you there?
here in your little filey.
Stop kidding.
Terrence
Ricks,
seems to have
Papa,
had
you there?
an incident. Now, Bob started 2 weeks ago. Tell us your story.
Yoshi's twin sister. Are you
Well,
there?
sometimes when I get upset, I have been known to blow up. So like what? Like you get mad, you mean? Well, no. I literally blow up, okay? I explode like a bomb. Hence the name
got to do this. Hey, this is not
Party certified.
It's time to hang on your house.
Hey, look, I don't want to be here at all, but this can maybe make it a little more interesting to me, so please, explode.
You can't do it, can you?
Yes, I can. But I'm having back issues today, so I'm gonna have to take a rain check.
Oh!
Not the time or place, little amigo. These guys are all nuts, huh, big man? Are we speaking telepathically? Or... Good talk. Nice chat with you.
Today we're into our The first pose is the dancer pose.
Don't worry, guys.
Eagle. And of course, downward dog.
Stop it! Mom!
Excuse me, boring hippie lady. Looks like the explodey guy's gonna...
Have you done this before?
Yes, I have, but usually not for free.
Didn't think so. Breathe up through the fingers and from your talons.
Chain. Nice.